We are the Scottish Falsetto Sock Puppet Theatre, and so am I, and so is he. There is something that is known by every Scottish boy and girl, and Scottish man and woman, wherever they are in the world. It's the thing we do, we've always done, the end of every year. Oh, everybody does it now, because we get it from the idea. It incorporates first footing, haggis, neeps and Auld Lang Syne. It's a New Year's celebration that has aye been yours and mine. But we did it first, we do it best, we do it the only way. So let's show everyone else how well we do our Hogmanay. Our Hogmanayness, our Hogmanayness. We sweep away the darkness and the greyness. Our Hogmanayness has made us famous. So show your Hogmanayness to the world. Because we're brilliant and so resilient. We keep this old tradition growing still. Into a New Year's party with a name. Tell you, show your Hogmanayness to the world. You don't have to wear belts, but if you do, you wear the socks. You don't have to drink the whiskey when you're doing a detox. You don't have to eat the haggis, though we have a veggie option. But you've got to sing Auld Lang Syne when it's midnight on the clock. Our Hogmanayness, our Hogmanayness.